Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Thursday 24th of May. Looking at dollar yen, which there's been a decisive change of sentiment on dollar yen. Look at all these breaking signals to the downside. Uptrend broken, breakout support broken at 110 figure. Negative sort of bear cross moving through the MACD lines, moving through the stochastics. RSI back at 1, 2, 3, 4. Was that 5, 6 weeks low? Below 60. You're back below the 21-day moving average. Doesn't look great, does it now? For the continuation of this dollar bull run, 3 bear candles in a row. And certainly yesterday's candle was a decisive move to the downside. Now we've had a move that I think that, again, as I said, pretty much sort of scuppers that bull intent by the for the dollar, but it hasn't yet, I think, changed to a decisive sort of bear phase, and I think that key reaction low at 108.60 is the support you need to watch for that. For now, I think it's still holding up. I mean, I say holding up. It's still not sort of turning into a decisive, massive sell-off. But we need to watch this because what you could start to see is the market just sort of consolidating around as the sort of yen starts to sort of look a bit more bit stronger. However, I think the dollar is generally still in a pretty strong phase of trading against the sort of forex majors generally. This dovish set of Fed minutes sort of just taken a bit of a shine off that across the board, but the sort of safe haven demand is the reason why we've seen safe haven demand for the yen, which is the reason why we've seen this sell-off. But whether that continues, that's going to be a news flow driven move, I think. But if that starts to sort of if the news flow starts to improve or sort of becomes less negative, then I think we could see that this once again is going to start to stabilise and form some support again. But we need to watch this. Today's low at 109.30, initial support, but 108.60 is key, certainly, I think, for this chart. In terms of resistance, breaking back above 110 big figure on a closing basis would be a positive. And then above 110.30, which is that reaction high from yesterday evening, that would again be a more positive move. But for now, it's sort of stabilised a touch, but needs to improve because you've got these momentum indicators which are now sort of more correctively configured. Even though you've got a slight positive divergence actually on the hourly RSI. So I'm not going to go too negative on dollar yen quite yet, but obviously the potential for a selling phase to continue is still there. But just that rebound off 109.30 does sort of help to stabilise the intent at the moment. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.